Hey there guys, Nick at Kaizink. Just wanted to show you one of our updated improvements here to one of our process. So after we use the Unikote, there are troughs, right? So we need to clean the troughs out. So what we're gonna do, we would take those troughs, set them in the sink, and typically we would scrub them clean, lay them here to dry. So what I've done is I set the troughs in the sink, scrubbed them out just enough to get some of the stuff on there, but you can still see that there's emulsion still in these guys. So what it is, I have the idea to run it through the our eco rinse. So we're gonna go ahead and run that cycle, and you see here I've made a mark there. The T stands for trough. We have another one over here for screens. So all we would simply do is be able to slide this guy over when we're working on screens. When we load the trough in, we're gonna slide this over to rinse out the trough. So we're gonna go ahead and run the cycle, and we'll be back. All right, and we're back. So it ran its cycle. Nice clean troughs here. And we can just go ahead and set them in the sink to dry, or we could hit them with some compressed air and load them back onto the Unikote. So that's definitely gonna save you a little bit more than 2 seconds, right? Because you're gonna sit here and have to scrub it out. Meanwhile, you can just scrub out the bulk of it, put them in your eco rinse, and start your cycle. Gives you some time to go work on mixing ink, getting screens ready, what have you. So thank you guys.